Every organization has remote, hybrid, and in-office teams working across different shifts and time zones. Managing all that manually can be a real challenge. That's why MaxelTracker shift settings are customizable for each user, so tracking aligns with real working hours anywhere in the world. This means you can set different shifts for different users or teams, which is especially useful for hybrid, remote, or shift-based employees. Let's see how shift settings work. Go to the Settings section and click Shift Settings. Here, you will see a default shift. If the default shift setting doesn't match your needs, you can create a new shift. Let's see how you can create a new shift. Click on Add Shift button. Now, let's take an example. Your employees work on different shifts like morning shift, afternoon shift, or night shift. Here, you can name the shifts accordingly. Start time is when the shift will be started, and end time is when the shift will be ended. If any employee works before or after his shift time, it will be counted as overtime hours. Select the time zone for each shift you want to create and assign the employees to work under that shift. Here you'll find two options, Fixed and Custom. Select Fixed option if your company has a standard 5 days work schedule from Monday to Friday. But if your team works on specific days, such as Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or any other day, use custom settings. Add the details and click Add Shift to start tracking the employees under this shift settings. You can also edit or delete the shifts anytime. You can create multiple shifts and assign users to any of them. You can also move users between different shifts if your team works in flexible hours. MaxelTracker sets a default 24-hour shift for every organization, so you need to create a new shift that matches your actual working hours. So this is how you can simplify time tracking and shift management for your hybrid, remote, or office teams. If you need help with shift settings, feel free to contact the team at support@maxeltracker.com.